Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm in the Juk, as you can see. I'm waiting for the mist to jump in the 370Z. We'll go drop it down to 𝙵𝚊𝚌𝚐𝚎 Customs. I'll put a link on the description down that video. Go check them out. It's quite funny actually how we found them. Saw an S15, pretty nice made it. Then I went very close to it and I saw the Instagram stickers at the back, 𝙵𝚊𝚌𝚐𝚎 Customs. It came out, it's actually a customer, it wasn't the owner of the service. So that's how we found out about them. We went to check them out last week, we talked about it, and now we're going to drop the 370Z to get the spoiler installed. It'll be there, they said it'll be done in about 3-4 days. So by the end of the week we're going to have a carbon fiber GT spoiler at the 370, because at the back it's just missing something, the car. And that carbon fiber spoiler with the stickers of the 370, I think it will look pretty sick. Let me show you. So waiting for the mist to come out. We've got now the radio, so we can be safe and talking is safe on the car. Because her car is so loud, I can't hear what she's saying. She can hear me, but I cannot hear what she's actually saying. I just hear the car whoa, whoa, roaring inside, you know, and it's like metals are dragging on the floor. So the original spoiler has about 15 holes, 16 holes. That's for the clips of the original spoiler. So I was thinking to do it myself, but I don't really want to end up filling these holes, end up something going wrong. Yeah, that's the missus. Ending up something going wrong, and then the missus kills me, you know. No bueno, no bueno. Stay in this lane because we need to leave the motorway.
Okay.
The radios are perfect.
Huh?
The radios, they're perfect.
It's funny.
That's a pretty good kit. I recommend for everybody who travels with his miss or with a friend or something like that, get the radios, because this is pretty cool and it's safe as well. That's pretty sick. Who's a fan of a Porsche? Do you want to see a Porsche in the channel? Let me know in the comments below. When we go now to 𝙵𝚊𝚌𝚐𝚎 Customs, I want to ask them if we can fabricate a front fenders for the Juk. Basically, I would like to put a vents on them and make them a little bit wider. If I buy original fenders of a normal Juk, even, it doesn't have to be a Nismo one, I can leave it to them. I can still drive the car, not leave the car there. I can leave it to them and they'll fabricate it as of a picture from a drawing. So there is that drawing of a Nissan Juk which has these nice fenders, vented, white, super sick. I think the plan is when I get the GTR, which I will, she'll get the Dodge. But these babies, they're not going anywhere. The Juk and the 370, they're not going. We're gonna expand the collection. Check this out. We've got all sorts of sick cars. S15, Honda, Integra, all sorts of crazy cars. Look at this. I think we're in the right place. What do you think? Are we in the right place? That looks nasty. Evo? Who's a fan of Evo? That's pretty sick. What? Yeah, I think we're in the right place. S15, Type R. Very famous car here, S15. I love the roll cage on this Type R, that's sick. That's so cool. Oh, look at this, matching wheels. Matching wheels. That's pretty cool. Make me a video, I'll stretch my arms. So you can actually... It's bigger. That's insane, seriously.
Well, remember when we went to 𝚆𝚒𝚌𝚐𝚎 and took it.
That's pretty rare because usually people wanted to look like the carbon.
Yeah, so the idea was,
That's
it was sort of,
perfect.
when you're looking at it from a distance, it almost just looks like a normal paper car.
Yeah.
And then when you get up close, you can see the carbon wheel.
The wall.
Yeah, it's cool.
All the cages and stuff like that.
And I like that you can see the colour of the cage through the front.
That's pretty cool, yeah.
Pretty sick.
That's rough, basically. That's what it's supposed to look like.
Finished it down.
It's all carbon.
Yeah, it's cool.
I've never seen so much carbon in my entire life. That's crazy. And check inside. Just one seat. Well, the other one. And it's carbon. Of course it's carbon. Yeah. Carbon. Carbon. Then you got more carbon inside. That's crazy. The roll cage is so sick.
You have always
It's more enjoyable, otherwise you just leave it to get it done, all of it, and then that's
You
it.
want to sell it because
Yeah.
there's nothing else to do.
Yeah,
That's the problem.
it's pretty cool.
okay.
Yeah. It's all time consuming and you just can't afford it. We gotta use the cars anyways, the only cars we have for dailies, and then you gotta do it stage by stage, stage by stage. I guess you're gonna be using the Juke for a while now.
Yeah.
You wanna enjoy it one drive to home?
Yeah.
I can enjoy, you know, on the passenger seat.
Tall car.
Yeah, it's good. Well, that's why I've got that now. I drove
Oh yeah.
like 4 before and I got so used to it. I was like, this is awesome. So I got that.
Yeah? Exclusive now. We're gonna have this GT86 start, and I think it's a cold start. That sounds good. Sounds really good. That's the best carbon in my life. Seriously.
Because I don't really like carbon, I wanted it to match the car. So like
You're
you
like
see
her,
it,
she doesn't like, that's why she doesn't
so
put on the car.
when it's next to each other, and you've got the little sparkle above them.
Yeah, matching the sparkles, that's so
Yeah.
sick.
Something different, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very nice. You just basically make a spray fork on the top like that. Nice.
And then all the bays all been smooth.
You have all these fenders that's sticking out. Look how wide is that from the actual door.
Yeah, it's about 50 mil for the full width of the front.
That's crazy. Well, something is going on. Somebody needs to build that one.
When
What?
you get it ready.
Oh, no
For
engine.
Christmas.
Christmas.
Yeah. My Christmas present to myself.
Ah.
Yeah, I had them custom made, custom work.
So nice. We need to get these bolts, the same bolts, to
Yeah.
put on our wheels.
Won't you shake the ground and feel it moving with the revolution?
Next time we see the lady, it's gonna be with the GT spoiler. We are back, baby. We are back. Well, we actually haven't been gone, but for me it has been 3 days since we left the 370Z to get the spoiler done, get the boot painted, fill the holes. The 370Z, it is done, so we're going to collect it now with the miss. Not bad for 1.6 liter. Not bad at all. The sound, I don't know if you can hear on the camera, but the sound is crazy. Whoa, that's a different car. Wife is having a carbon fiber wing like she wanted. Looks super sick. fiber. Apparently wife is not happy with carbon fiber, so we're gonna have to be painting this wing, but at the minute we're gonna stay with the carbon fiber wing. It looks super cool. I'm so happy we didn't get the tall brackets. This is enough tall, I think. And you're able to sit on it and use it as a table. So tell me what you think, guys. I mean, this is not an expensive wing. Let's be honest. You can see from all angles that it looks perfect for the 370s. That it looks very OEM. It's okay. Yeah, the neighbors definitely don't like us. They don't like us. Big shout out to 𝙵𝚊𝚌𝚐𝚎 Customs. That looks pretty sick. For a 300 pounds wing, it looks so cool. The wrap complements the wing, looks super cool. Probably if the whole car was white and just the wing black, it wouldn't look so nice, but with the wrap, I think it looks amazing. We've done a perfect job. Thank you very much to 𝙵𝚊𝚌𝚐 Customs, just right there. Give them a shout out. I'll put a link in the description. You've done an amazing job. We just basically left the car 3 days ago and the car is already painted. The color matched perfect. As you can see, no differences. No differences. He matched the color for 3 days, painted it, installed the wing. He filled all the holes that they were here from the original wing. There were about, I don't know, over 10 holes. He needed to weld all of them, fill them up, primer it, paint it, and there you go. 3 days later, delivery. Looks amazing. All right then, let's hit the road. Let's jump into the Juke. Sport mode. Yeah, that wing looks super sick. Don't even try anymore.
You put your dinner here and you can eat from there, no? Just make sure you clean it.
Once you shake the ground, you